Listen up, legends, because your wallet is about to explode with gratitude. This isn't just a video. This is your ultimate weaponized ticket to free Hollywood-level magic that will turn your TikTok reels and YouTube channels into viral cash machines. I am dropping absolute bombs today, so stick around because by the end, you will be generating pro content, while Kling users are crying in the comments. Picture this all-too-real nightmare. You are a relentless creator, grinding 24/7 on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. You are dreaming of those epic camera swoops and characters dancing like Avengers in a Marvel blockbuster. You put in the sweat, the edits, and the late nights, but then Kling AI 3.0 and Higgsfield come in like greedy money traps. The free tier hooks you instantly, then bam, the paywall crashes down, demanding $30 a month for basic motion control. And your credits are gone. In 48 hours, you are staring at an empty bank account, frustration boiling, and your creativity is totally choked. I see your pain everywhere. Comments are flooding my notifications, saying, "Bro, how do I get pro moves free? Because Kling just destroyed my entire budget. Help, I am broke and stuck." I feel you, warrior over 10,000 creators. Just like you are raging right now in 2026. But breathe easy, because your salvation drops in 3, 2, 1. Today is pure rebellion. I am handing you the secret weapon called WAN 2.6. This unbreakable ironclad loophole is crushing the greedy empires to dust. We are talking unlimited free cinema motion, controlled jaw-dropping video remixing, and a glitch for infinite credits that never expires. Every second counts, because this gets patched soon. So if you bail now, you stay broke and irrelevant forever. Keep watching, because the proof is coming that will blow your mind. First, let's look at the hardcore proof. Do not blink. We are comparing Kling 3.0 versus WAN 2.6 side by side. In Kling, you upload a simple image and type camera, zoom, and bam, you get an error apocalypse saying credits depleted, upgrade to pro. Now it is an instant rage, quit, and wallet bleed. Now look at WAN 2.6, exact same image, exact same prompt, and it renders like butter, silky smooth, 4K magic, total free. The difference is night and freaking day. If you are still on Kling, you are choosing poverty switch today or regret it. But the quality is what will hook you like a drug head. To the WAN 2.6 site now, and ignore the noobs who are skipping the generate tab, because that is your holy grail motion control vault. There is no complicated code required. You upload any static image, and the prompt box is wide open for domination. Here are the secret weapons. Pause and copy these pro prompts word for word, because your viral hits start here. Prompt number 1, camera zoom in, fast dynamic movement, cinematic depth of field lens, flare, boom. The subject explodes forward with an epic pull that screams blockbuster action. Just watch how the background blurs perfectly while your character stays sharp. This is the kind of shot that Netflix pays thousands for, and you are getting it for $0. Prompt number 2, pan right, slow reveal, ancient ruins background, dramatic volumetric lighting, fog rolling in the world, unfolds like an Indiana Jones epic. Imagine using this for travel content or storytelling channels, where you need to establish a scene without filming it yourself. The lighting pops, the shadows dance, and the immersion is instant. Prompt number 3, dolly forward, intense character charges straight at camera. Rainy night streets, slick with puddles, neon glow flickering. This gives you a pure heart-pounding thriller vibe for absolute free notice. How the reflections on the wet ground actually shift as the camera moves. That is ray tracing level detail that usually costs a fortune. Prompt number 4, 360 orbit spin smooth superhero pose. Dead center explosive particle effects bursting, dramatic sunset sky with god rays. This is straight viral TikTok and Reels gold that will rack 1 million views overnight. The camera rotates perfectly around the subject, creating a Matrix-style bullet time effect that stops the scroll instantly. Prompt number 5, drone shot. Establishing view high altitude, slow push, in over a cyberpunk city with towering skyscrapers and flying cars. This is perfect for sci-fi channels or faceless content creators who need expensive-looking stock footage. Simply type it in and watch the world build itself. Prompt number 6, rack focus. Starting on a foreground object like a flower or a gun, then shifting focus smoothly to a character standing in the distance. This is a pro cinema technique that usually requires expensive lenses. WAN handles the blur transition flawlessly, adding a layer of professional polish that tells your audience you are a high-budget creator. Kling charges you a premium per second for this fire, but WAN 2.6 charges $0. Watch these renders as the depth distorts reality and lighting pops like a $10 million $30 movie. You are getting Hollywood effects on your broke budget. Is your mind officially blown good? Because the warm-up is over and the real fire is next. Do not you dare pause. Now we unleash the hidden beast inside the Avatar tab, called the Photo Animate feature. This is the video-to-video monster they are burying deep. Let me unpack the pro strategy for you. Step 1. Drop a reference video, like a breakdancer, absolutely shredding insane moves. Step 2. Upload your target photo, which could be Baby Yoda, a rusty robot, or your favorite celebrity ethically. Obviously, Juan 2.6. Face swaps and transfers every single move. The twists are a perfect match, the struts are pixel synced, and the realism is 99% indistinguishable from real footage. It is like magic sorcery. Is your pulse racing? Yet my Discord server is melting down with messages saying, "Dude, this changed my entire channel." 10 times views and another saying, "I quit my job to be a full-time creator." Now, one user turned his cat into a breakdancer and went mega viral. But real talk, there are pitfalls ahead. This is pro-level artillery. And the free zero credit mode. Queues globally, which means a 5 to 30 minute wait time. Annoying, right? The fix is dummy simple. Use your regular browser only for this specific feature. Bookmark the page, grab a coffee, and refresh your browser. History boom, instant access, no hacks needed. But I know you are a go-getter, and you hate waiting. You demand lightning speed, enter the god tier, unlimited credit glitch. This queue destroyer is why pros worship it. The secret sauce is that a fresh incognito window equals a brand new user ID, and daily check-ins equal free speed boosts stacking up. It is an endless loop of free power. Here is the idiot-proof step-by-step domination guide. Follow this exactly, or cry later because your future millionaire self will thank me. Step 1. Open incognito mode. Fresh as a new iPhone, AVPN is optional, but 0 bans have been reported in my tests, so you are safe. Step 2. Punch in wan.com and hit sign up. Skip the Google login because it tracks you like a spy agency. Step 3. Open a new tab and search Yopmail. Whip up a random email like Creator Pro 123, copy it, and paste it into the Wan sign up. Create a strong password and hit verify. Now, if the code is not showing, do not panic. Go back to the Yopmail tab and refresh the page twice. It drops every time, guaranteed. Once you are logged in, scan the top right corner and look for the check-in button. Glowing like treasure, smash it. Bam, 10 fast credits unlocked instantly. These are your VIP queue skippers. Test fire a motion prompt right now. Seconds later, it is fully rendered perfection. Once your credits are drained, close the tab, rinse, and repeat. Farm 20 cycles per hour. There are no device limits. Whether you are on a laptop or a phone, easy 200 plus credits. Daily scale to 1,000. If you are a beast, let me give you some battle-tested proof. I stress-tested 50 accounts last week across global servers and had 100% uptime with 0 fails. Kling patched their weak glitches months ago, but this beast is still ruling in 2026. But the urgency is max, because patches drop like clockwork, and yesterday's free heaven becomes today's $30 hell. Hold up, I have some extra ammo before you run. Let's talk about bonus combos that make money take. Prompt number 4, combined with photo. Animate celebrity swap. My subscriber TikTok Titan layered a dancer reference on an Elon Musk photo and hit 50,000 followers overnight. Another fitness coach swapped an ABS model on client pics and his client list tripled. Your empire starts here. Juan 2.6 is the undisputed free king. History proves that free rides end fast. So test this now before it is gone. If this value is slapping you, smash that like button, hard share with your creator squad, and be the hero saving their budgets. Turn the bell on because the next glitch drops exclusively to subscribers. First go, generate those bangers. Crush the algorithm legend and drop Juan King in the comments. If you are farming credits already, let's build the rebellion army. Who is next?